Ja, das ist schon immer so, dass das Meer irgendwie eine besondere Anziehungskraft auf mich ausgeübt hat. Also
we have a very special day. Nico, what's up today?
A movie premiere in a cinema, so it's fairly exciting. Untied Line is going to be in a cinema. Suche Karte, ne? Guck mal hier. Viel zu klein. Everybody's here. My little sister. Who's on your job on the set?
On set, nothing.
Behind the set.
Behind the set, I
Behind
was
the scenes.
editing the movie.
Yeah. Here's my dad, and here is Anna. You know her from the movie. Yay! Hello. You excited? Yes. So you excited?
Definitely.
Let's see your hand. Shaking. Ooh.
I think it's
Whoa.
fine. It's fine.
And here is Mr. Dad.
Everything he knows about filmmaking, he knows from me.
Everything.
It's a
That might be a
joke, it's a
little
joke.
exaggerated. Kind of full.
Schön, dass ihr da seid.
I think I've been dreaming of the ocean since I was a child. And in my teens, it became a little bit more specific when I was sailing in the Med with my parents. Those charter boats are fairly naked. They don't really have much equipment. And at anchor, there were other boats sometimes that looked totally different. They had plants on board and tropical fruit was swinging below the solar panels. Quite a bit of knick-knack in general. And I asked my dad, what type of boats are those ones and why do they look so different and what kind of people live on them? And my dad told me, well, those people are like sea nomads, like people that live on their boats full time and travel the world.
wow, sowas gibt es, dass Leute das irgendwie machen.
But in time, that's the heart that forms the soul between you and your boat is continuously process of projects and working on it and putting what people believe is your income, your money into it. Is in time you realize it's just money, and I'd rather be sailing and enjoying the life I'm doing. And if I don't have the money, then I need to go figure out how to make it.
Mein erster Eindruck von Karl. Ja, also eigentlich war es geplant, dass ich nach meinem Studium, nach Abschluss meiner Masterarbeit einen schönen Urlaub mit Nike mache. Karl sollte da eigentlich auch schon weitgehend fit sein, dass wir auch ein bisschen rausfahren, die Inseln erkunden. Im Endeffekt kam ich dann abends an. Es war leichtes Chaos, es roch etwas muffig. Ich meine, ich habe mir schon gedacht, dass es natürlich kein Luxusboot ist, aber man kannte auch Videos. Aber es war schon erstmal ein bisschen krass, muss ich sagen.
Daniel.
Na, was filmst du mich denn?
Ja, genau.
Schneide ich hinterher sowieso alles raus.
Oh
Brauchst du gar nicht so
nein, nein.